Mechanical keyboards have become a favorite among typists and gamers for their tactile response, durability, and customizable layouts, features that elevate every keystroke. Similarly, modern smart TVs are redefining how we experience entertainment, blending sharp visuals, intelligent features.
List number 1. Vizio 32-inch Full HD 1080p Smart TV with DTS Virtual X, best for balanced performance. The Vizio 32-inch Full HD Smart TV delivers impressive performance and clarity in a compact design, ideal for bedrooms, dorms, or small living spaces. With 1080p Full HD resolution, it offers crisp, detailed visuals that bring movies, sports, and shows to life. The inclusion of DTS Virtual X audio technology enhances the soundstage, creating a more immersive and cinematic experience even without an external soundbar. This TV runs on the intuitive Vizio SmartCast platform, giving users access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and YouTube right out of the box. It also supports Apple AirPlay 2 and Chromecast built in, allowing seamless content sharing from smartphones or laptops. The iQ picture processor improves motion handling and color reproduction, reducing blur during fast scenes. The TV's design is sleek and minimalist, with thin bezels that fit well into any setup. Plus, its voice control compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit makes navigation simple and hands-free.
List number 2. Hisense 32-inch Class A4 Series HD Smart Fire TV. The must-have for Alexa users. The Hisense 32-inch A4 Series Fire TV is built for those who want seamless integration with Amazon's smart ecosystem. With Fire TV built in, you can stream content from Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and over 1 million movies and TV episodes with ease. Its voice-enabled remote, powered by Alexa, allows you to search, launch apps, or control smart home devices using just your voice. While it offers HD resolution, 720p, the picture quality is vibrant, with natural color enhancer technology that optimizes contrast and color accuracy. The Motion Rate 120 feature ensures smoother action scenes, making it great for sports and movies. Audio-wise, Hisense includes DTS True Surround, delivering balanced and room-filling audio that enhances your viewing experience. Connectivity options like HDMI, USB, optical audio, and Wi-Fi ensure you can easily hook up consoles, streaming devices, or speakers. The TV's lightweight and slim design makes it easy to wall mount or fit in tight spaces, ideal for smaller rooms, RVs, or guest areas. The Fire TV interface is responsive, intuitive, and constantly updated.
List number 3. Samsung 32-inch Class Full HD F6000 Smart TV 2025 model, HDR, best for picture clarity. Samsung's 2025 F6000 Smart TV combines crystal clear Full HD resolution with HDR technology, ensuring stunning brightness and color depth for its size. The Hyper Clear display and Samsung's advanced picture engine deliver realistic contrast and vivid tones, making your favorite shows and movies come alive with striking accuracy. This model runs on Samsung Tizen OS, which provides a smooth and responsive interface. You'll find quick access to major streaming platforms like Netflix, Disney+, and Hulu, plus Samsung TV+, which offers free live channels and premium content without subscriptions. Audio quality is equally impressive thanks to adaptive sound, which automatically adjusts based on what you're watching, whether it's dialogue-heavy dramas or action-packed sports. Additionally, the TV supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, so pairing soundbars or wireless headphones is effortless. The modern design with ultra-thin bezels and a slim profile gives it a premium aesthetic despite its compact size. Energy efficiency is another highlight, with Samsung's Eco Sensor adjusting brightness based on ambient light. List number 4. Samsung 50-inch Class QLED Q7F Series Samsung Vision AI Smart TV 2025 model, best premium choice.
If you're after a truly cinematic experience, the Samsung Q7F QLED Smart TV 2025 model is a powerhouse. Featuring quantum dot QLED technology, it delivers 100% color volume and deep contrast for breathtaking picture quality. The 4K UHD resolution combined with HDR10 Plus ensures every detail is crystal clear, from the darkest shadows to the brightest highlights. This model also includes Samsung Vision AI, an advanced processor that uses artificial intelligence to optimize picture and sound in real time. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or watching sports, the TV automatically enhances sharpness and minimizes lag. Its Motion Accelerator Turbo Plus ensures ultra-smooth performance, even for fast-moving scenes and next-gen gaming. Smart features are powered by Tizen OS, offering seamless access to all major streaming platforms, and Samsung's SmartThings integration, allowing full control of smart home devices. Voice assistants like Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant are built in for added convenience.
List number 5. Westinghouse 24-inch Smart TV, HD Zumo TV with voice remote. Best budget smart TV. The Westinghouse 24-inch HD Zumo Smart TV is a compact, affordable, and easy-to-use television for those who want smart functionality without breaking the bank. With its 720p HD resolution, it provides decent clarity for small rooms, kitchens, or offices. The Zumo Smart TV platform comes preloaded with major streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video, plus hundreds of free channels via Zumo Play, no additional subscriptions required. The voice remote adds extra convenience, allowing quick searches and control through simple voice commands. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Westinghouse Smart TV delivers clear audio and balanced performance thanks to Dolby Audio support. Connectivity options include HDMI, USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi, making it versatile for external devices like Blu-ray players or gaming consoles. Its lightweight frame and VESA mounting compatibility make it ideal for limited spaces or portable setups. While it may not offer 4K or HDR, it more than makes up for it with simplicity, affordability, and smart access.